Hi buddies, welcome to Eezytutorials. If you are a new viewer to our channel, kindly subscribe to Eezytutorials. At the end of the video, remember to give thumbs up and shares. We all love and live with colors. We love colorful balloons, colorful dresses and so on. Nature has given us a colorful gift after rain, that is rainbow. Yes, we are going to see about rainbow in this video. Come, let's go! How is rainbow formed? When sunlight passes through the raindrops, due to the properties of light, it gets dispersed into seven colors. The name of that is rainbow. Rainbow always occurs at the opposite side of the sun. When it is raining in one part and sunny in another part, rainbow occurs. There are seven colors in the rainbow and the starting letters of that forms the acronym VIBGYOR. Easy to remember. VIBGYOR Colours. Let us see what are the seven colors of rainbow one by one. The seven VIBGYOR colors of the rainbow are violet, violet, indigo, indigo, blue, blue, green, green, yellow, yellow, orange, orange, and red, red. These are the seven VIBGYOR colors. Let us see them once again. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, let us see these rainbow colors one by one. Let's see how far you are able to identify them. The first color. What is this? Yes, exactly. Violet. Violet. Now, this is the second color. What is this color? Indigo. Indigo. This third color is? Yes, correct. It is blue. Blue. And the fourth color. This is green. Green. And the fifth color is? Yes, minion's color. Yellow. Yellow. And this is orange color. Orange. And the last color, seventh color is, yes, it is red. Red. Now let us see some interesting facts about rainbow. Rainbow facts. The shape of the rainbow is circle and not semicircle as we see. We can see this circular shape when we see rainbows from aeroplanes. No two people see same exact rainbow since the rainbow visibility depends on the light being bent and reflected back on us. There will be a slight change in the vision of both. The next fact is rainbow can be seen not just in rain but also in mist, spray, fog, dew, etc. In objects like prism, thick glasses and near waterfalls you can see the VIBGYOR colors. The next fact is when sun is lower, the rainbow will be seen higher in the sky. There are also moonbows. When moonlight reflects through the raindrop, rainbow is formed and that is called moonbows. There are also monochrome rainbows like red rainbows. They are formed after rainfall during sunset and sunrise. It is only in one single color. And an interesting fact is there are also double rainbows which occur when light bounces inside the water droplet more than once. So they are called double rainbows. Hope these facts were very interesting. Let us see the rainbow colors once again. Yeah, Come on, you can tell with me. The 7 colors of the rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Yeah, great. Rainbows are really very colorful and nice to enjoy. A real gift from nature. Never miss to see a rainbow. Whenever you get a chance to see the rainbow, do watch it. Tell your parents and friends to inform you if they see rainbow so that you can see these rainbows without missing them. Hope you enjoyed the video. There are many more facts about the rainbows and you can watch many other videos in our channel Eezytutorials. Stay tuned to Eezytutorials. Like, share, subscribe to Eezytutorials. Your valuable comments are always welcome. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.